Job of the day. Customer is amazing and already had it up in the air when I got here. So I'm going to tear it down. I'm checking his lights. What we got on my blinker. Everything's working except for charge line and reverse, which makes sense. I think the charge line looks like... Okay, fix some of that wiring up front here. I got the front driver's side torn down. It has the weirdest grease that came out of it. It's like this string cheese. Orange grease. Taking off the rears. That is super loose. I need a place to throw the nastiness. A grip mat should do. Castle nut off. This thing was not tightened whatsoever. There's the string cheese orange grease. That's pretty crazy. Hubs are good. Drums are good. I don't know what this orange grease is, but it's gnarly stuff. Ooh, string cheese. Let's clean this stuff up. Everything looks good, but the surface is just a little rusted. It doesn't look like it's been used very often. So once the brakes really start working, it'll smooth all this stuff out. But everything looks good on these hubs and drums. This orange grease is like the consistency of used gum when you try and take it off of something. It just strings up everywhere. It's actually pretty wild. Rear driver's side's packed. I need to run and grab him a new hub because his hub will not hold a bearing or a dust cap, but it's all hollowed out. And it looks like they lost a bearing on that hub one day and it just destroyed the outside dust cap mounting surface. So I need to run and grab one for him, but I'm gonna finish the rest of the trailer. Driver's side rear is on. Free spinning on the rear. Brakes are on, locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning, does not need to be adjusted. Everything looks good. Dust cap is on. He does have shackle links that are ovaled out. I really hope those come off easily, but it doesn't look like they're going to. So I'm going to change these shackle links, change these 4 bolts. Shackle links are ovaled out. These are the new shackle links. And his equalizer's fine. So just need shackle links. Bushing is in. Will the bolt want to come out is the thing. There we go. I think I can come up on my jack. It should come down, right? No. All right. Take the rears off too. Bushings on the driver's side rear are fine, so I'm tightening these up. Equalizer's good still. Checking passenger side. Brakes are on. The only one that's working is the rear. Front's not working. I'll tear it down, see what's going on. All right, this side needed 3 bushings. 1 bushing on the passenger side front of the equalizer, and on the spring, I changed the rear spring. Equalizer bushing on the rear is totally fine. So I'm putting shackle links and bolts on. His equalizer is good as well. All right, hub and drums are packed. Brakes are good. I did get power. It was a bad butt connectors on that side, so the magnet is working up front, but I'll double check it when I put the hub on. Passenger side rear is going on. Excess grease. Washer. Spindle nut. Come on. Come on. Why does not go on when you want them to? There we go. And tighten this down. Tight. Free spinning. That retainer is on. Excess grease. Good. I'll move to the front. Passenger side front. Washer. Castle nut. Come on, castle nut. Spindle nut is on and secure. Hub is free spinning. Perfect. The brakes work. Brakes work. Perfect. How about the rear? Rear passenger side is free spinning. Brakes are on. Brakes are good. I do need to adjust them, but everything's working. Oh yeah. Dust cap's going on. Dust cap on the passenger side rear is on. Dust cap on the passenger side front is done. Some excess grease. Clean it off. Good. I'm going to shrink wrap this and zip tie up that wire so it's not exposed. All right, passenger side's done. Free spinning. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Free spinning. Perfect. All right, everything's done on this so far. I need to run and grab a hub for him, which I'm gonna go do, but I'm gonna check his lights. Marker lights are on and good. 3-way lap bar is good. Right turn is on and working. Left turn is on and working. Marker lights are back on. I know the marker lights on the side don't work. He said he ordered some new ones. He's gonna put them on. Oh, actually that one's working pretty well. I wonder if the other side's working. The other side is not working. So I got one marker light out, one marker light working. We're gonna grab a new hub for him. Packing bearings and packing the hub. Let's go through a little more. There we go. Outer bearing is packed, or inner bearing is packed. Seal pounder, hammer. Need another. My van looks like a bomb went off. I haven't been able to clean it out in like 3 days. I am running full on all my trashes. Good, seal pounded. Grease going in. Oh, that's right in front of me. Outer bearing packed. Packed all the way through, good. Installed. Let's get it on this trailer. All right, I'm gonna change his retention, or his spindle nut retention. I'm gonna put a castle nut and a tang washer because I do not have another one of these retention clips. So, castle nut and tang washer it is for this one today. Ouch. Too tight. Back off. One constellation. Perfect. Tang washer is installed. All right, tester is installed. Free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Perfect. Right, I'm gonna give him all new lug nuts, so I don't know where the other ones are. And if it was as rusty as the other stuff, he's gonna get new lug nuts. Here's a look at the hub. Looks like it had an outer bearing go out at one point, but it completely fried the dust cap holder area. So, new hub for that. All right, tires and wheels are on. I'm torquing his lug nuts now. That's why we torque. This job's done. New bearings, new seals, new grease, 8 new shackle links, 8 new shackle bolts, a couple bushings. Equalizers were good. He's gonna do his lights, so if he needs help, he'll call me. But he's gonna do all the lights. Rear of the trailer works. All lug nuts are torqued.